Now, what we're going to talk about real quick today is the Blade Inductrix Switch. This thing is really cool. There's also one called the Blade Inductrix Switch Air. What it is if you look, you can see it's a drone. All right, you can simply take this loose real quick. Rain hit me here. Take these loose real quick, pull it out of this little foam thing, and it turns into a drone. Or if you leave it in the foam thing, it's a hovercraft. The third configuration for it, which is the Switch Air, that one is actually a little airplane. Very lightweight, very smooth and fun to fly. But we're going to set this thing down on the ground. This is the puddle that's out in front of our store. Compliments of our landlord who won't fix the French drain, but well, like I said, these product demos are a little bit hard to do by yourself, but I think you get the idea. So this is what they look like. There it is up close and wet. The little snap-on that it goes into. This is just a regular switch. It sells for $40. That's it. That's a whole lot of fun for 40 bucks. It really is. This one here is the Switch Air. And what's cool about the Switch Air is you can see that's the one that comes with the wings. And it's configured to fly also. So it's kind of that 3-in-1 where you get to learn to fly a drone, play around with a hovercraft when you get a puddle, and then what was I looking at here? When you get a puddle, and then also you learn how to fly with it too. All right, well that's it. I promise you it was going to be a short one. Hope everybody has a great weekend, get some rest, and I'll see you next week. Bye.